So the important interview questions. So one of the important questions is that why and how we can find the duplicate integer or duplicate string out of the array. So like there are a lot of arrays are in one array, a lot of elements are there, and maybe some duplicate are there. So we just need to find out which is a duplicate and just get rid of it and just display that this is a duplicate, this is a duplicate name or something like that. So let's start with that. So there are different approaches. So let's three approach. Let's go through three and from worst to best. Let me start with that. So first we'll start with a public class and class name dupli. Okay. Now public static void main. We started now. So let's say the string, there's a string and the string array with the names, and we have multiple say languages. So say Java, C, Python, so Java again maybe. So this is a duplicate. So we need to find out which are the duplicates. So here we can see the Java is duplicate, right? And C again maybe, and Ruby. That's all for now. And just yeah. So this is the array right now. So we have to see which is the one which is the duplicate. One second. There is an issue. One second. Things. C. Python. That's all. So Java is duplicate, right? So the first approach we'll follow is using for loop. So how we start with that? So the first one we'll just go with a for loop. So it's a normal for loop, and we'll compare it one by one. So like index we can see here, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3. So we'll start with that like that. So okay, so int I equal to say 0 and I less than names length. Okay, and here I dot length and I plus plus. One more nested loop will be there, which is int j, and it is I plus one. We're starting with one more, one above that, like I hit that, and then j less than names dot length and j plus. Now, if the names I is equal to names j, then system, then we print it out. So system dot out dot println and duplicate name is, and we'll just print the first one I. Let's see how it goes. Let's run it. So we'll just go here and run. So Java should be the answer. Let's see. Yeah. So we'll see it correct, right? Okay. So this is the worst approach. Why? Why? Because here, if you has only total four elements, like if there are 400, 4,000 elements, it will keep on comparing. It will take a lot of time. A lot of time means lot of response time, delay in project, and lot of things. So we have to follow some better approach, which is to the collection. So we'll use using hash set. So if you know hash set, so in hash set, what happens is like it only stores unique elements, not go for the duplicate one. So that's what we're going to use it here. So how we'll use it? So just create one set. There's set and string is there. So string and say as equal to new as set string. Just close it here. It's asking for some package, so we'll just go here. Okay, it's a package given. So which package? Util.set. Basically util. So now what we'll do? We'll just go for loop, enhance for loop, and we'll say string name and say names. So we'll go for the names and every time, and if s dot add name is equal to false. Like if it is saying false, it means it's a duplicate one. So then we want to print system dot println and just say duplicate name is plus name. Okay, just here we'll give something so that we can differentiate between the two outputs. Okay, now we'll just run it. See, correct. Duplicate Java. So both are giving same answer, but it's a better approach. The third and last approach, which normally a little bit tricky, little bit different, which you have not done through, but it's a very good approach. So you should know that. Interviewer is asking for that. How many approaches you know and which is the best one. So that's hash map using hash map. Now how we'll using hash map. So let's see. So we'll just create one thing. We'll create a map, and we know map, and map we have to give string, and one more thing is the integer. Say m equal to new hash map with the string and integer. That's all. It's asking for some package libraries, so we'll give that. Now we'll go for loop again. So for loop and say string and say name, string and names, and what approach we're gonna follow here. So now if before that say m dot get, we're getting it and name. So obviously it's empty map. So we'll get what? We'll get nothing. We'll get null, right? So we'll store this one in a integer. Integer say count number. We'll just add it like this. Now if this count is equal to null, then we want to do something. We want to put right now. If the first time it will go for this Java, so Java is obviously it's provided null, so it will go in this one. And what we'll do? We will just put in the map. So we'll put, and what we'll put the name and one, because it's only one. Else m dot put, and this time we'll give name but plus plus count, because this time here it's coming to this loop. It means it's already more than one, or it's not null, right? So in that case it will come here and we'll close it. So we have this input. Now we have to map have everything. Now we have to just get the entry out of the map. So there's a function for that. So it is called m dot entry. But we can't use it like this. So we have to use it like entry. So it's set entry, and then it's a string and integer. Say entry and equal to what? M dot entry set. Now we can use this method. After this, what we'll do? Int have everything, right? So for loop will start and say again we have to use the same collection. So it's a entry string integer e is going for entry. Now, if e is greater than, if e dot get value is greater than 1, then what we'll do? We will put that, right? So we'll say print it out system dot println and say duplicate name is, and say what, e dot get key. You want to display the key, the string. Which string is that? And I guess this is done. So here we just give some separator so that we will find out all our three methods are working fine. Like all our three approaches are working fine. So it's pretty much done. Let's run it. Correct. All three are good Java, right? So thank you guys, and this is about the finding the duplicate entry from the string array. And there are a lot of other approaches you can follow with it, but these are three which is the best one. So thank you. Bye bye.